Previously, we showed you the Opmanam stroke Isela-Asaba section of the second Niger Bridge access road, which you are currently watching. We showed you the progress they have made so far on the interchange. We also showed you the newly constructed drainage system that is still ongoing. Today, we are taking you to the Asaba-Ibusa section, and over here across that road is where the access road is coming from Opmanam, and if you turn around, that is where the access road is heading to, and it will connect direct to the second Niger Bridge. Clearing of this section started around 2 months ago, and we have showed you the previous looks of it before this weed started growing. Where they are right now is around that Okowa farm. The day we filmed this video, there are no workers on site. We filmed this video on the 11th of this month, being August. One thing I observed during this particular section is that upon the completion of this second Niger Bridge access road, this area will massively develop, even though it's currently underdeveloped right now, but it will speed up the development around this particular vicinity. Just like other section, a lot of building was affected around here, and they're gonna be going down, even though majority of them has went down already, while some are yet to go down. Like if you watch closely on the video, you will see a lot of building that have gone down already, and some are still, they are just like giving them time to move out their stuff before they can bring the rest of them down. Some of the things I'm showing you around here, like those fences, not that building, and the others is still gonna go down. Not all the buildings though. Anyone that is closer to this road for now, I think is going down, or maybe they are partially affected. Just like the Isela-Asaba, or should I say Opmanam stroke Ibusa axis, what we have there is also what we are experiencing here, but not as bad as what we saw around that Opmanam. Where I'm heading to is the flood, the flood aspect of it. The area is just like a flooded area. They can easily be flooded when it rains. The same thing is what you can find around this area. When we are exploring here, we notice a lot of an upcoming erosion site and the rest of them, which you are going to be seeing on this particular video. Just like I said earlier, there has been 2 or 3 months since they cleared this part, and that is why you are seeing wheat growing on them so fast. So this is the area I'm talking about. It is an upcoming erosion site. The area can easily be flooded, and that is why you can find all these things. I think when they get here, this place is going to be having a kind of covert or something. It's best known to them, though I'm not a contractor or something. So you can see the view of the area. Like I said, some of the buildings you are still seeing might go down, some of them might not. The ones that are very closer to the road, we have not taken all the all the space they needed for it. Some buildings are still marked but yet to go down, while some have already gone down. So the electric poles we are seeing in the middle of the road will still be removed, until once, just like when they remove it, they will place it somewhere, and once the road is done, they will put it back where it's supposed to be. So just kindly watch the video, give us your own take via the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and share the video. From the looks of things, the road is fastly approaching the second Niger Bridge itself. It will connect to the second Niger Bridge from Oko axis. This section is a bit better than the other section. The section I'm talking about is the Opanam stroke Asaba section. In the terms of hills, this place is a bit not that hilly like what you have around that Opanam stroke Ibusa axis. Though it has hill but not very high, it can easily be a kind of put in order than the other sections. So, and this particular area they are right now doesn't have much river to put up like covered or maybe flyovers and the rest of them. So it will be a bit more easier to work on these sections than that of Opanam axis. There's one observation I wanted to drop here, but I think I will be leaving that until the end of the road. Maybe when they are finally done with their job, I will now give my final conclusion. But let me just give you guys a hint. Upon touring this second Niger Bridge access road, the first time I toured the road, I started from that bridgehead, around that second Niger bridgehead, toward the already completed sections, which was done by Beggar. After touring that particular section, and then I moved down a bit, see what they did around there. Then Nan went to Asaba stroke Opanam to go and reconnect back and see how the work is currently ongoing. Notice that it was not being done by Beggar anymore, rather by another construction company. One thing I can say for a fact is that from the looks of things and the already completed section of Beggar, I'll still like say Beggar remains the best, but I'm not yet to give the final conclusion until the contractors handling this job get it done first before I will make my final conclusion. So this is just what I wanted to chip in. If you have any correction, you can drop it there in the comment section. It's just my own observation, don't get me wrong. From the looks of things currently I might be mistaken by the time they complete their work. So I might be wrong, I might be correct, but let's just wait until they are done before we give our final conclusion. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, look at the video very well, tell us what is missing, what do you think they should be doing, and looking at the other end of the road, where they have already taken all the species they want to take around that Obanam stroke Ibusa section, and finally they ended up not taking all the species. What do you think about that? Do you think those remaining species, they are still coming back for it, or people are good to go, maybe take back their land and start building again? What do you think, and what advice do you have to give anybody that is building close to that route for now? There is Adoration ground that is located around this area. This particular second Niger Bridge access road divided that Adoration ground almost into two. What was left for them is not that big enough. Looking at where they currently built their where they built their church and the spaces they have before, the remaining section of it is very, very small. I will show you that Adoration ground once you get there. So the Adoration ground is very, very close to that Okowa's farm, which I'll also be showing you, and that is where we're gonna be ending our today's video, around that Okowa farm, because that is where they currently are. Like I said at the beginning of this video, there are no workers or tractors on site when we take this video, and this video was taken on the 11th of August 2026. So this is the surrounding, this is environment. Remember, this area right now is still underdeveloped. But this particular second Niger Bridge access road will speed the development of this particular area. Though people are buying land speedily and they are building, the only thing I can tell you that is a bit problem around here is the network. They don't have network. Their networks do fluctuate. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't come. So if you plan on relocating to this environment, it is very expensive. I will call it a trench that is very expensive in Asaba, with bad network, though they have good electricity. That's all I can say. So you're currently seeing the I think the Adoration. If that is not the Adoration, then this is the Adoration ground that you're currently seeing. So very soon we get to the Okowa farm, so you see the view of the farm and everything. Already at the Okowa farm, and you can see this is where they ended the clearing. This particular road you are seeing will take you back to former deputy. If you know where former deputy is located in Asaba, Delta State, that is where that route will take you to. Do there are some other zigzag road that are there along the line. So this is the view where we are coming from. All those axes you are seeing belongs to that Adoration ground that I'm telling you about. So the road just like splitted their land into two. Turning around is where the Okowa farm is located, like you can see in the video. That is Okowa's farm. So I will climb up a bit to show you the view of the video. This road will actually affect almost the entire farm, and the whole palm trees might be going down after this construction. So guys, kindly give us your own thought via the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, and let us know what do you think about all this development, the road constructions, the demolition of the houses? Do you think they are necessary, or do you think people should sacrifice and welcome the development that is coming? What do you think? Tell us your thoughts via the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye guys, do have a wonderful day. Till we meet again on our next vlog.